started off by heading in the complete opposite of the direction we were planning to go, because the bush telegraph had produced some information on a pride of lions that we had heard vocal throughout the night. And so we thought they were very close to camp. Let's go track them down first, and then we'll turn and head for where we believed the main migration, the heart of the migration would be. Day 3 in the Serengeti, and as a guide, my dream is to get my guests right into the middle of the main migration, the heart of the migration, the really big herds. I think by now a lot of the people touring with us would have thought that they had seen the migration. We had seen a lot of the smaller herds, the tail herds of wildebeest and zebra, and some of the tail herds are actually quite big, but they were nowhere near to the main herd, which is we were going to track down today. One of the most amazing things to watch with the migration is not just the bulk of the animals, not just the sheer size of the migration, but also the predators that follow it, the lions and the hyenas that are taking off the wounded and the sick and the lame. Tanzania's great wildebeest migration, probably one of the most iconic migrations of the world. Depending on which book or information you're reading, anything between 2.5 and 4.5 million wildebeest and up to 2 million zebras. all going in a circular motion, taking a year to complete. Many people think that the migration is a north to south and south to north type movement, but it's actually in a big circle that follows almost a full year to complete. Really is one of the most amazing wildlife spectacles in the world. In terms of the movement, they start down south with the herds moving at the slowest around about January and February, which is when they'll be in the short grass plains in the Ngorongoro Conservancy area. That's where they will stop or slow down at least to give birth. Then they move to the central Serengeti, where they'll be moving at fairly good paces in the morning and then stopping to graze in the evening.